Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make pie in the new cooking update easy method. Start by preheating your oven to 375 degrees F and gather flour, butter, sugar, and your filling ingredients so everything is ready. Roll the dough evenly to about 3 millimeters thickness, then fit it into your pan gently to avoid stretching. Trim and crimp the edges, then chill the crust briefly before filling to keep a crisp texture. In this video, I will show how to make pie in the new cooking update easy method. Prepare your filling by cutting fruit into uniform pieces and tossing with sugar and 1 to 2 tablespoons of cornstarch to thicken juices. Let the mixture sit briefly so flavors meld and excess moisture releases. Spoon the filling into your prepared crust confidently, avoiding overfilling, and leave a small gap for bubbling to prevent overflow during baking. In this video, I will show how to make pie in the new cooking update easy method. Slide the pie into a preheated oven and bake at 375 degrees F for 40 to 50 minutes, watching for golden crust and active bubbling in the center. If edges brown too fast, shield them with foil. When done, cool the pie on a rack for at least 2 hours so the filling sets fully, making clean slices and better flavor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.